Our first key challenge was how can we make it quicker for clients to sign off on a proposal and engage the company. And we use RightSignature for this very simply, and it's all done by a click of a button, ensuring that everything is time and date stamped and that the signed contract comes directly back into the specific sales proposal so that they can track all paperwork. All they need to do when they've finalized a proposal is simply click a button that says send letter of engagement and TCs via RightSignature. What that does is it immediately marks it as agreement sent and time and date stamps when that happens, and sends an email out to the event proposal leader where they can get it and quickly sign a contract. Once they've signed that contract, all that contract done by RightSignature has all the information about what the event is, all the services provided, and the amount of money, all directly coming from Podio and merged automatically. They simply sign the document, enter their name, and put their date that they're signing. And that is them having accepted the proposal. And that has cut their time to get signed agreements down to hours instead of days. And as you can see here, Podio immediately ties and date stamps it, as well as letting us know exactly when it happened and putting in a PDF copy of what has been signed. Our new system allows them to quickly, once they have got a signed letter of engagement, all they need to do is quickly press a button that says to create project in the system. That immediately opens up the event manager and creates a full event for what they've just scoped out, ensuring that every part of the event is tracked in a collaborative space. All the information is copied over, and as you can see here, they can manage the logistics, the schedule for the event, all the content, the tasks, the delegates, and the associates working. They've got full view of everything that's happening, and they can all work on one system the whole time. One of their great challenges was how do they get 60, 70, 80, 100 people registering for one of their events. This was taking them days to manage, and trying to get them to fill in a personalized waiver form was taking even longer. Now they can do everything with one click of a button. First of all, they generate a registration form here based on the type of event it is, based on their own personal event types. And then all they have to do is simply click one button. That sends an email to the decision maker at the client, which they can forward. The delegates who they want to register just simply click that button. It brings up a Podio web form that automatically can link to the event. They fill in all their information that they need, providing all the information that Fieri needs. And once they click submit, what happens is, of course, they're registered in the system, and that delegate will receive immediately a RightSignature waiver. And that waiver is needed for them to go on this course. And as you can see here, they've got the signed waiver. They can go online and sign it. And if we now go over to our delegates, we can see that they have been created in the system automatically, and we can track, have they been sent a waiver, have they signed a waiver. So there it is, Jordan, they've been sent the waiver, they have not signed it. But all the information is there, and they're able to keep track of it. That happens now automatically, and that used to take them up to 3 days to manage. One of the other key challenges they faced was simply around the generation of all the documentation that went into running an event. It was taking them hours and hours, days of time when they had events for 100 people to generate documents, and everybody was generating a different document. There was no consistency, no brand consistency, and to manually create and personalize documents and then send them was taking time. Now everything is done automatically. As you can see here, delegates have tracks the fact that the delegate package was sent. The delegate package itself is created automatically. All the information is merged automatically. This entire document was created automatically by Podio, and then it is sent to ShareFile, where it is shared securely automatically to all delegates and all associates. And that has saved them simply days of work per event. And it's also brought a huge brand consistency. All of this document, every single part of it, is completely automatically generated by the work they've already done on the event, and that is saved them a huge amount of time and has been hugely valuable.